sun. What else?
Light.
Light. So what does light and sun do? What? What does it do to it?
Water.
Well, what does it do to the matter? Yeah, you're right. A blow dryer would work too. What does it do, Isaiah?
Melt.
What do we use to melt it? Heat. Heat. Remember? Heat. Okay, what if we have a liquid and we want to make it a solid? What do we got to add to it? What do we got to do to it? What is it?
Freeze it.
Freeze it. So if we want to melt a solid into a liquid, we got to heat it. If we want to turn a liquid into a solid, we got to add cold to it and freeze it. Okay? So we've learned that matter can change, and not just by heating or cooling it. Things can happen that will make it change its properties, like color, texture, shape, and its size. Okay? So we're going to change some matter, and we're going to decide what we changed. Did we change its color? Did we change its size? Did we change its shape? Or did we change its texture? Okay? So our first one, this is station 1. I usually have these in stations around the room and you rotate. But we can't do that this year. So, what is our matter? Our matter is a piece of paper. Okay? Okay? So we have a white piece of paper and it looked like this at first. Just a square piece of paper. Okay. So your challenge is you're going to use your scissors and cut your paper to make a snowflake. So some ways you can make a snowflake is you can cut it or fold it like this. Fold your paper. And then you can, so I folded it like this. Don't cut your fingers. And I can cut out pieces like this. Okay. You can cut circles like that. Stop. Listen. You can do all kinds of things to your paper. Going around and cutting things out. Okay. You can cut all kinds of things. And then when you open it, it'll be a snowflake. So there's my snowflake. Okay. So fold it in half and then fold it again and go ahead and make some cuts on your white piece of paper. Yep.
I don't know how to do that.
Yep. Boys, girls, you fold it in half and then you fold it again and then you start cutting around the edges different shapes. So I drew what my snowflake looked like. How did I change it? What did I have to do to my matter? What did I do to my matter? I did two things. What's one thing I just did? Kate? No, I'm asking you what we just did to change it.
Oh, you cut it.
Cut it, and what else did we do, Savior? We did two things. We didn't just cut it. Yes, we fold and cut. Fold and cut. So write those two things down. That's what we did. We folded and cut it. Now, what changed about our matter? Did the color change? No. Did the shape change? Yes. Did the size change? Yes. Some of ours got smaller. Okay. Did the texture change? No, not really. So we changed, yeah, but not really. So the paper still feels the same. So we changed the size and the shape. So go ahead and finish that page and then go to the next. Okay. So now, station 2 is we're going to fold an airplane. So what is our matter again? It's paper. And it's a square again, or a rectangle again. So now I want you to take your paper, and we're going to watch a video, and you're going to have to follow. It's a 1-minute video on how to fold an airplane. If you have your own way to fold an airplane, then you can do it your way. Okay, they're going to tell us.
My dad
I'm
taught
going
me.
to teach you how to fold this really easy paper airplane that flies very well in 60 seconds or less. All you need is an 8.5
Hey, do it. You got to stay with them.
So let's get started. On your mark, get set, go. Fold it in half like so. And open it up and fold the top down. Maybe just a little more
Fold it down to the line you just made.
And fold again. Now fold to the center to make triangles like so.
Oh, no, we're left watch listen. I'll do it again.
Those up and fold to the creases you just
I
made.
can't keep up with him. He's so fast. I know. So fast.
And once you've done that, tuck
I'm
these
doing fine.
layers into the central pocket.
I don't even know what he did.
Open that back up and fold down the line you just made. And fold again. Now fold to the center to make triangles like so.
Yeah, we did that.
On both sides. And then open those up and fold to the creases you just made. And once you've done that, tuck these layers into the central pocket and lay your model flat like so. And fold it in half on that center crease. Now you just fold the wing like so. And there you go. Open it up and give that thing a throw.
I didn't get mine all the way like his, but I made mine my own. I made it like I want it myself. So mine looks like this. So now once we get our airplane folded, and you can fold it any way, you don't have to do the way he did. Then you can practice it, throwing it, and you can do it however you want. So then practice throwing it.
Fold it.
Okay, we folded. Did we cut this time? No, we just folded it. If you didn't get to make it, you can take it home and make one. It's okay. It's no big deal. Okay, draw what it looked like or what it would look like if you made it a paper airplane. I don't even know how to draw mine. I'm going to try. There's my other wing.
Check our paper.
Okay,
and see how it looks.
draw your paper airplane. Now, what did we change about it? Did we change the color?
No.
Did we change the shape?
No. Yes.
Yes, it's not a flat piece of paper anymore. Did we change the size of it?
Yes.
Yes. Did we change the texture, how it felt? No, we didn't. The paper did not change. The texture of it didn't change, just the shape of it did. So we changed the shape and the size by folding the paper. So we changed the matter from a piece of paper to an airplane. Okay, I want you to put these in your folder. We're going to have to finish these another day this week. Okay? So we're not done with this yet. So put it in your yellow folder. Don't put it in your black folder. Put it in your yellow folder. And we will do this another day.